So I thought it was important that I recorded this because this is something that I do after every show. So this is for my post competition ladies. And this is what I look like the day after a show. So this is what you get. Minus the eye makeup. I already did that to save some time. So why I'm doing this is because with this tan, Liquid Sunrayz did my color and it looked amazing. They want to make sure I was dark enough. So I think at the end of the day yesterday, I probably had gotten like 6 applications of the tanner. So this is washed off, which they used a new product or a new formula, I think, and it was like the competition locket color. And I gotta say, that is freaking awesome. It didn't get anywhere on my sheets, which is surprising. And the way that this rinsed off, as dark as I was, if you guys look at my pictures, it was like super dark. It washed off evenly and very well. So this is an accomplishment for post-show tan wash. But here's why I'm making this video. So obviously my face still doesn't match my body, even with the tan gone. So I want to show you guys this Liquid Sunrayz has a foundation, and what I'm gonna do with this, because I still have to like go out in public today and be presentable, sort of, but also have to go work out. So I don't want like full-on foundation. So, but I am gonna take their face foundation, which this actually matches the tan. So this is what I had on last night. But it's not like slightly less dark. But the color is still the same family. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to take my favorite sunscreen moisturizer. So I'm going to make like a tinted moisturizer with this so that I still get like my normal everyday wear, because I don't wear a lot of makeup every day ever. But to make my face not look so scary at the same time. So what I did was I took just a little bit of this, and I found this in my hotel room. It's a fancy soap dish, and I thought it looked better than a cup, so there's that. I'm gonna take like a little bit of this foundation, and then I'm gonna mix it as if I'm an artist or something. And I'm gonna start light. So I'm gonna just keep mixing this until I get like kind of where it matches my neck. I'm going for my neck color here. So with the foundation mixed into the sunscreen, I'm gonna I have a mirror. What am I doing? Ha! It's like war paint. So I'm just gonna cover my whole face with this. Normally I'd like kind of contour some, but we don't have time for all that. We're just trying to be the same color. God, it smells good. The sunscreen smells nice. So you can already see like how this helps make me not look so two-toned, because I am fair-skinned and I don't tan anymore. So I need all the help I can get. I'm gonna just brush this down my neck, kind of in my ears. So this helps. I don't want to be, gosh, what did I do? Autumn, come on. I will probably do some balancing out of this later. So anyway, this at least gets me the same color without being too heavy. I am going to blend this. Out. A beauty blender. Like this is a beauty look. Just, this is to make sure that you don't look, you know, like you didn't try, I guess. So, yeah, just get that even. But like now I'm the same redness, even though my face is still lighter than my body. You could keep adding this, I guess, or if you want a full makeup look. I just really want to show you guys how you can use this Liquid Sunrayz stuff on a daily basis, especially the days following a show while you're still tan. So that's their foundation. Then they have, I already have this open, so they have a powder, Liquid Sunrayz. It's a finishing powder, and it's kind of like pinkish tinted. So it's still translucent, but more on the pink side, which is good to match this tan. And I used this yesterday on stage, so it was cool. So I'm actually just gonna like press this just into my oily, creasy areas in my forehead and my nose, my chin. So yeah, I'm just gonna like smear this out some. I'm just gonna pat it because my skin is a little dry today. So that just gives it like a little bit of like finesse. Get it all down your neck. Yeah, so now I'm just not shiny. So I guess I don't need this. So yeah, here's me today, post show, day after show. Still to go to the gym, still have to wear makeup, whatever. But I just want to be the same color because people look at you weird anyway with this competition tan. So I at least want to be like, you know, matching. So anyway, these is what I used: the liquid Sunrayz foundation and then the powder. But I mixed that with my freaking love this stuff. The free skincare line that I've been using for the last 6 months or so. This is just their Protect Me sunscreen. So I'll attach links to this stuff. But yeah, there's your real girl post-competition makeup tip today. So thanks for watching and thanks for your support, and be sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned.